Birinchi bitta savolni qaytarib o'zim ozgincha bitta savol.
Having a... Я посмотрела в камеру, давай еще раз.
Manga qarang, gapirgin. Stolli plastmassa o'yinda.
Stolli emas. Somsaxonada bo'ldi.
Dreaming или как это? Обрезка будет, обрезка же будет.
Oddiy veb-sayt. 3D model oydikini qo'ygan. Endi aylantiryapti. Vibratsiyani ko'rsatadi.
Looking back on your participation in this project,
Yo.
The time management.
Можно же на этом месте закончить, если тебе так проще.
Все, давай.
what promoted you to participate in this challenge?
The promotion was from the Outcarried Center channels. We find out that if we won this NASA Space App Challenge, we can join to the global hackathon. And the main promotions also was from our professors.
What was the main essence of your project?
Our challenge was EMID. We need to make some project using EMID technology. It is technology to scan the surface of the Earth, which helps you to detect what kind of minerals on the surface. So the purpose of our project was how we can use this data and make something useful for our country or even in global level. So we decided to choose the agriculture because our country familiar with agriculture. So that was reason why we decided to make the project related to agriculture. So the main purpose of our project was maximizing the efficient utilization of land considering economic and environmental aspects.
Could you tell us how your project works?
So this is a good question. We have created the API by using the Python. We just used the Django for creating the backend. So let me explain for the simple people who doesn't understand how programming works. So here is the application which just you send your location or the location of the surface or the ground. So this location goes to our API. API just handle this location and then it sends to the EMID database. From this database, we get the information about the surface, and this information goes to the artificial intelligence, which just analyzes the information and gives the understandable information for the simple users. Then the simple user get the information from the ground. For example, what he could just get from this ground, the percentage of the oxide dioxide or something else.
What were some of the challenges or obstacles you encountered during the development of the app, and how did you overcome them?
So, EMID application wouldn't become real without any obstacles, and one of them was choosing appropriate topic.
In my case, it was a special case because I was a team leader, so it was hard to control. And yes, it was interesting. It was stressful, but I like it.
Also, we thought that our solution is not unique, and we continuously changing our decisions. So that was a really doubt. We had a lot of doubts in choosing one.
Within 30 seconds, we just published our project. It was very stressful moment.
What did you get, and what was the most memorizable moments?
So I got firstly is networking. I meet a lot of interesting people, and the second one is helps me work with big data, like how to manage the. It feels, you know, maybe it's from another side it was fun, but feeling that you are doing something important for the world, not just in local level. It was interesting, and it was for me motivation to study.
So this project absolutely just changed my outlook, because while learning such kind of information from the NASA, just analyzing the information, looking at how does the light works, or how does we can get the information from the space, which is thousand miles away from the ground. So this information just absolutely changed my outlook. I changed my point of view just looking at the life. Just it's another thing. It's another life.
Looking back on your participation in this project, what were the most valuable lessons or insights for you?
The most valuable lesson was the time management and teamwork, because it helps you to understand your project and do it faster ways and easy ways. And another most valuable lesson what we get is networking with like-minded people who can give us some other ideas, with whom we can do some other projects which can be better than this one.
Okay, well, I think that the most valuable lesson I derived from these hackathons, it was that I just realized that what topics should I learn in the future to be stronger specialist in my fields.